Hey, everybody. This is LashawnTerry here. As you can see, we have an order in today from Bistro. I already had unboxed it. It looked like they tried to get into the box and it was all kind of beat up and everything. So I just took everything out the box here. I do have some stuff on this top level that you can't really see. But y'all know I rave. I've been using this, my sister. I've been using her stuff for years. It's been over 8 to 10 years. I can't even count. But this is her card that she sends and her stuff. She is out of Memphis, and she do open up her brick and mortar certain days of the week. She ships, from what I remember, around the world. And her stuff is handmade, natural ingredients, and she is very, very reasonable priced. I will put a link in the comments for you to use. You will get a discount. But I'm so rude. Hi, y'all. Hi. Welcome in to my new subscribers or new watchers. Thank you for giving me your time, because I know time is something that you cannot get back. So I appreciate you. When you come in, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. I do have a playlist for you to look through, just in case we have other hobbies in common. So we're going to roll this intro right quick, and then we're going to get into these fragrances and body care that I have here. Okay, so we are back. So what you see right here is these are body soaps in Magic. I know she was about 2 through with me when I told her I wanted Magic. These were all freshly made. But basically what Magic is, it's a bunch of her different fragrances put into one. So you can do a Magic frosting, you can do a Magic butter, soap, body oil. Those are what you can do in Magic. You could kind of tell her what type of Magic that you want. I told her fruity, sweet, you know, things like that. So that's what she put. So that's what all of the colors are. It's different fragrances that she puts in her that makes up her Magic. Child, my box is about to tear up. So let me take this off. Y'all can see the one Magic. Then this is a Magic frosting. Butters is a little thicker and heavier. I don't need nothing that thick and heavy where I live, and I've always loved her frostings. So this is my Magic frosting. And it smells delicious. Delicious. My girl be doing her thing. And all of these scents I've gotten, I've had them many a time, so there's nothing new up here for me. I told you I've been buying from her for years. So yeah, there's nothing new up here, but it may be new to you. So I got Fairy Tales. I had a really big bottle with the pump of Fairy Tales, And I had it for years, and the fragrances just meshed so well till it kind of came out smelling a little bit different but yummy, and I used it all. So I had to get another one. In fairy tales, I'm trying to think of what scent fairy tale. Fairy tales, it's a citrus. It's a citrus. I just don't know what citrus. It can be combined citruses like lemon, lime, bergamot. I don't know, y'all. Let me tell you something. With Bubble Bistro, she never put what her notes were on her thing. What we had to do was, if it sound good, or we would go in and get well, not me, but what the ladies would do was, because she sell all different types of boxes and stuff, so they would go get like a sample box and get different scents to see what they like. But what we had to do is, if it sounded like it was something that smelled good or you wanted to try, you got it. You played around with it to mix and match the scents. And when you hit something, that's what started my book. Cause I would be in my room, my bathroom, just mixing anything that I thought once I smelt it to say, hey, I wonder if it smelled good. I mean, I would have stuff going up and down both arms and my legs, like literally, with combinations. And that's just what we had to do. So when I tell you I does this. She didn't give us no dang on scent to be like, oh, this got banana, strawberry, bergamot, this, that. You just ordered it and you played around with it. Either you liked it or you didn't. If you did like it, you just got to playing around with what you think would smell good with it. And that's where I learned to mix and match scents or whatever it is, even in my business. Through her and her products, that's where I learned how to mix and layer and play around with different scents, notes, fruits, whatever it was, drinks. Um, that's how I started off doing it, through learning from her and buying her products. And I apply that to anything. Again, my business, I'm a specialty drink and dessert business. So I get in there and I start playing around with different fruits and concoctions and stuff, until I get what I'm looking for in my drink. And so that's what people love about my drinks, because when they taste it, it's like, wow, this is good. And my drinks are expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but it's worth it when you taste it. Anywho's, so I may not know the notes to all of this stuff. I'll only tell you, what I'm smelling. Um, and some of them are just common sense. Like if I'm telling you this is watermelon, is watermelon. She may add something else into it or whatever, but you know. So this is my first time getting strawberry with her. I do know she used strawberry vanilla in her cotton candy. And she has started putting up with certain scents notes that are in the scents, because she's now starting to get a lot of the fragrance girls and wanting to buy from her. And with the fragrance girls, they got to tell you what notes is in the fragrance. So strawberry smells nice and sweet. Smells nice and sweet. It's not like a clean strawberry, but it's a very nice sweet strawberry. I like it. Oatmeal honey is one of my favorite warm scents when I'm just wanting to feel warm. I'm not feeling good or I'm tired. Her oatmeal honey is divine. It's sweet, it's warm. It just smells delicious. You go in there and ask her, hey, What's this? This is lemon head. I hadn't smelled none of this lemon head, so I said, hey, give me a splash of that lemon head. So she put one in my box. And this is like a zesty lemon lime. This is giving me a zesty type lemon lime type of scent. Jolly Rancher is Jolly Rancher. With her Jolly Rancher, you're going to get all of the flavors of the Jolly Ranchers. Oh, Lord, this smells so good. You're going to get all... I'm smelling watermelon Jolly Rancher. I'm smelling some peach. Ooh, child. That smells so good. You may get more of a scent of a Jolly Rancher than the other, but her Jolly Rancher is literally all of the scents of a Jolly Rancher for the most part. They ain't gummy bear. You know how gummy bears are. Again, you get all of the gummy bear type scents. Sweet, delicious. She also sells soaps, butters. She sells salts, bath bombs. And she sells body washes. So she sells oils for the scalp, deodorant. So I got a cotton candy body wash. I literally think I messed up my camera by dropping my phone several times. And that's why it's not acting right when you put something close up to it. Smells good. So this is basically my order. Her butters and frostings are $20. Her oils, I believe, I'm not sure if she still sells the two sizes. I know she sold the 8-ounce. I'm trying to see if I could find the old bottle of the 8-ounce. I think basically it would be a bottle like this. And the bigger one that she used to sell, I'm not sure if she sells it anymore. This is an 8-ounce. These bottles right here are 4.5 ounces. I believe they're $8.50, if I'm not mistaken. And then when it comes to her bars of soap, you can buy each scent separately, or she has a 5 for $25 that you can do, and you could just put what scent group, like if you want a fruity, earthy, sensual. I told her I wanted magic, so all of my bars are magic because I'm that fruity girl. I want to get all the fruits. I want to get all the sweets. So that is my order from Bubba Bistro this time. So give them a try. Give her a try. Give her a try. I guarantee you'll come back. Again, I will put my referral link in the comment section. So you just click on it. It will take you to the site, and it will also give you a discount as well. Oh no, this lens is stupid. So until next time, peace.